How to change your bio on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your bio on TikTok mobile. First, open TikTok, click profile, and here you will find this one, edit profile. Click on it and then click bio here, and if you want to change it just delete it and then type any bio you want here and click save. And as you see, the bio have been saved, and that's how to change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.